Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Invoice Settings console. Let's get started. First, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of Blade. Then select Account Settings and click the Invoice Settings tab. This tab gives you full control over two main invoice-related components: invoice header text and invoice support notes. Both of these items can be set to appear on invoices generated by Blade. The invoice header text tile lets you write a custom introductory message that appears at the top of every invoice. This text is customizable by both invoice type and trade. Here's how to configure it. 1. Use the first drop-down to select the invoice type, like carrier invoice, client estimate, or client reminder invoice. 2. Use the second drop-down to select the trade. 3. In the editor, type or paste your header text. Blade auto-saves your work and all changes. Use this section to explain terms, reference job context, or include a summary statement. Support notes allow you to pre-write detailed justifications for services or billing conditions that need clarification, especially when submitting to insurance adjusters or collection firms. These notes do not appear in line with line items on the invoice. They print at the bottom of the invoice whenever the linked service item is used on an invoice. To create a new support note, first, click the Add Support Note button. Select the trade, then enter a note title. Click the Add button to create the note. Edit the note as desired. Blade automatically saves all your work and changes. To update an existing note, make your changes and Blade will save them automatically. To delete a note, select it from a list and click the red-colored minus button. Okay, let's talk about how to link a support note to existing service line items. First, navigate to the Services console in Account Settings. Select the desired service item, then select the desired support note. Click the Add button to link the note with this service item. To unlink a support note from a service item, select the note, then click the minus button. Use the Auto Print checkbox to toggle printing on or off. Keep in mind, if you have enabled the Xactimate integration for your account, you will not be able to link custom support notes to Xactimate line items. This support note feature only works with custom service lists. However, all support notes are available for read-only viewing by all users. Click on Resources, then click the Support Notes tab to view and copy all support notes. This feature gives your team members detailed and consistent information to effectively negotiate settlements and justify your work. All right, that's a quick overview of Blade Invoice Settings console. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work